On a quiet morning, the sun rose slowly over the earth. A tiny ant stepped out. The world felt vast. She was ready for a new day, but then she stopped. A grain of wheat. It lay there silently. Rough, heavy, far bigger than her tiny body. She stared at it. A small voice inside whispered, "This is too much for you." But she stepped closer anyway. She pushed. Nothing happened. She pulled with all her strength. Still, nothing. She stood there, breathing hard. Others walked past her, busy, focused, moving on. No one laughed, no one doubted. But no one helped either. Quitting felt easy. But then, something shifted. She planted her feet. She pushed again. The grain moved, just a tiny bit. She took a breath. She pushed again. Push by push, step by step, the grain began to slide. Minutes passed. The sun climbed higher. Her legs trembled. Her body ached. She didn't rush. She didn't complain. One push, one breath, one step. Then,
2, 2, 1, 2.
he noticed her. Another ant stopped. He watched quietly. Without a word, he stepped in. Then another joined, and another. No speeches, just understanding. Together they pushed, together they pulled. The heavy grain moved faster. The ground disappeared behind them. Finally, the work was done.
Go, go, go! Woo! Into the hill! Yeah, we got it!
The smallest ant smiled. Small steps change everything. Don't quit.